Repulse mode. Jeff and I have been talking about, I need to watch, make sure that my front foot pivots on the toes. I don't want to pivot on the heel, because I don't want my weight back like this. Andrew's pushing on me. I'm moving backwards, and I've got my weight on my heel. I've lost that, I've receded that front foot. So as he pushes, I want some weight on that toe. That means that I have a bit of, I'm exaggerating. But you can see there, I now have the ability for a spring there and a spring there. And now when he pushes, you'll notice suddenly, oh, how about that? I mean, I'm fairly light at the moment, I'm on the lightest I've ever been. But you'll notice that I'm still resisting it successfully, because by the moment I lift this, it's all over the road. Yeah? So here, very important not to pivot on the heel. This hand, don't make it too low. Okay, it's not a low swing. It's just a turn here. And how low is it? You can always think of it as a grab, nothing else. Because if I go too low, he sees what I'm doing and he adjusts it, whether it's punching me or just controlling it or whatever. But if I can pull there, I've weakened the grip. So it's just a lift. Where you push the joint, it lets you, the body has to go. And that's true of the wrist, and it's true of the elbow, it's true of the head, it's true of the knee. The moment you break the structure, that's it. So having that structure broken is very useful. So we know this. I'm pulling on Andrew and he's resisting, it's not working. But if I suddenly break sideways, now it's easy to pull it. So Andrew does the same to me. That's no good. So this technique allows me, instead of pushing me that way, he wants to break my structure, I will bring it around and go back. So now he pushes it, because I try to say, right? Again. Yeah. And notice I have to bring my weight back. Now I have him. Should show you the importance of having this curve. Because as he pushes, you'll notice a little curve makes all the difference. If I don't do the curve, he controls my elbow. Here, and what's more is, that's his escape, great. I've got now another fall. So, as he pushes down, I go, okay, escape. Now he keeps pushing that way. And he doesn't have to do a Shihonage, that's just for fun. But if he wishes to, he can control me, he can kick that leg out, and do what he pleases. Okay, so that's a very compromised position. 1, 2, 3. So, I can deflect. And that's why this doesn't go that way. It's really aimed not as a strike, but as a deflection. So I want that angle. I'm less concerned about the strike and whatever else. And you notice from here, if he's holding me, I can pull. If he's going to keep holding on to that, it interrupts, it straightens his shoulders, which really mucks up his punch. Okay, so that's quite useful. If he lets go, fine. I have the control of that arm. And simultaneously, I can be hitting the eye. If everything else doesn't work, it becomes this at the very end as a strike. Striking the 10. 1 punches, 2 punches. I don't want to go low, because you notice in that artificial example, my guard is in place. So all I want is a little turn. If I'm just here and he's punching, that's all I want. And again, he's punching with the aim of a follow-up. I'm going to have my hand there, so neither does he go too far sideways. It goes there and then back. So it's a very slight move. So 1, 2, 3. If that happens, at least I've got that on there. If I absolutely need to, a block. If I really needed to. Here I'm hoping to do from that punch. He's coming on with another punch. You can see the time. So it's all in a together.